Hello YouTube, this is Mr. Django. Today we're going to see a role-based system, a login system using the Django framework. Okay, let's get started. As you can see, I have created a project named role-based login system, and also I have made some templates, and also I have added the static files for the templates. So let's get started. First, let's create an app. So Python manage.py start app. Let's call our app account. Here you can see our account app. The next thing we're going to do is go to the setting and add our app in the installed apps. And after that, we're going to create a Python file which is URLs, and also we're going to go to the main project URL and include that URL there. Next, let's copy the URL file and add it to our account URL, and also let's create some paths for now. Create our model, but before that we want to extend our user model using the abstract model, abstract user. So let's import it, and then let's name our class user and abstract user. After that, let's add the roles we want to use in our project. So is admin is one role. The next role would be is customer, and the last one would be is employee. So I'm going to divide my user into 3 roles, and based on their role they can log into different web pages and so on. And after finishing our URL, we need to go our model, we need to go to the setting and change the out user model to the model we have created now. So first we write our app name, next the model name. That's how we change. So next, let's make migration for our model, and also let's migrate the model. Okay, now let's run our project and see what it looks like. This is the index page where there is a login and registration button. So now let's go back to our app and create Python form files, and let's create a form for the login and also for the registration. So for the login, for the registration we need the user creation form. Okay, now let's write the form for the login form. the login form takes in the username and password. Alright. Next, for the sign up or registration form, we're going to use the user creation form. Okay, and let's just copy the top username and password, and also let's add email, and let's create a class meta and specify the model we're using. We're using the user model, and also let's specify the fields we are going to use. The next thing we are going to do is let's create the views. So the first view we will be creating is the registration view. So you can see the cards below. And the next view we'll be creating is the login view. Okay, now we have created the login and registration views, and also we have created a home view, which is used just to see after login is successfully done. It should go to a home page. So let's change the URL of the index page to the login and registration page, and let us see how it looks like. So let's register first of all. I have okay. Here you can see I have made the role of the Django as an admin, and let's log in. Here we have logged into the home page. Okay, let's register the model in the admin site, and let's create a super user. Okay, let's go to the admin page and see the users we have created. Here you can see we have two users, the Django and also Mama. You can see the Django is an admin as well. Okay, now let's log in. Again, we have logged in. Again, let's register other users. Let's say Alan. We have registered Alan as a customer, and again let's register another user, Laincha, and again this user we have registered it as an employee. Let's go to the admin page and see the users. Here are our users. As you can see, Linja is an employee, Alan is a customer, and so on. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is create an individual page for every users, for customer page, and for employee, the employee page, and so on. And let's go back to our views and let's make some adjustments. So we are planning to make it a role-based login, which means if a user is a customer, it has to go to the customer page. If the user is an employee, to the employee page, and so on. So we go to the view, and also we have the login view, and here it says if user is not null, and if user dot is admin, then take it to the admin page, and so on. Again, I'll see if the user is an employee, we'll take it to the employee page, and so on. So now let's log out of the admin page and let's see how it's going to take us. So here is Django, he's an admin. When we log in, it says hello Django, your role is admin. As you can see at the title, it's in the admin page. Okay, again, let's go to the Alan is also a customer, and so Lencha employee. So
okay, anyone interested in the code, you could find it in the description below. There is a GitHub link, and also don't forget to like and subscribe. And also comment me a project you would like to see in the future. Thank you very much.